Racing bar charts are an awesome way to visualize how data changes over time. Whether you're ranking sports teams, analyzing social media engagement, or even studying stock prices, racing bar charts can provide valuable insights. But before we get started with the coding, make sure you have all the prerequisites installed on your system. Step 1. Installing Anaconda. First, open your browser and go to www.anaconda.com. Next, click on the download button to get the latest version of Anaconda. After that, once the installation is complete, search for Jupyter Notebook and open it. A new Chrome tab will appear with the address http://local8888/tree in the Documents section. Click on New and select Python 3 Notebook. Give a name to your notebook such as Racing Bar Charts. Step 2. Installing Sjvisualizer. Open your Jupyter Notebook and install Sjvisualizer by running the following command using pip. Awesome! Now that we have everything set up, let's start coding. In the first cell of your notebook, import the necessary modules, Sjvisualizer, time, and JSON. In the next cell, let's define the main function responsible for creating and displaying the racing bar chart. This function takes two parameters, frames per second, FPS, and animation duration. Inside the main function, we have several steps to follow in order to create the racing bar chart. Step 1. Calculate the number of frames using the formula, duration multiplied by 60 and FPS. Step 2. Load the colors file in JSON format. You can download it from our website, link in the description. Step 3. Load the Excel dataset containing information about countries with the highest smoking rates. You can also download it from our website, link in the description. Step 4. Create a canvas and add bar charts to it. Step 5. Add titles and subtitles to the graph. Step 6. Save the colors for the next run. Step 7. Render the animation. Finally, call the main function to generate the racing bar chart.